How to produce math tutorial videos using AI. Producing math tutorial videos used to mean screen recording complicated equations, editing slides, and spending hours syncing voiceovers. But now, AI tools like InVideo make it easy for anyone to create clear, visually engaging math lessons without needing editing expertise. InVideo AI allows you to enter your math explanations as text, and it automatically builds a polished video complete with transitions, icons, and optional voiceovers. Whether you're teaching basic arithmetic or diving into calculus, InVideo's platform can match each concept with visual elements that enhance understanding. For instance, you can use step-by-step transitions to break down equations or formulas, animate numbers or graphs, and highlight key takeaways, all without manual editing. InVideo also lets you use AI-generated voiceovers, so you don't need to record anything yourself. You can even upload a script and let the platform choose the perfect voice and pacing. For visual learners, you can include diagrams, symbols, or real-world applications pulled from InVideo's vast stock media library. This makes your videos more engaging and easier to follow. Teachers can create full lesson plans in video format, and creators can build entire, math-focused channels with consistent branding and quality. If you're tutoring students, teaching in a classroom, or building a math course online, InVideo saves you hours of work. And the best part is that you don't have to pay a professional editor. InVideo does it all. To start producing your own math tutorials with ease, check the video description for the link to InVideo. AI, try it today and simplify your video creation process